This walk is Sgwrd Eira in the Waterfall country in the Brecon Beacons. It takes probably a couple of hours in total to do, but it's a beautiful walk to do. We're taking the relatively easy route from Dinas Rock, which is near Pont Fechan. It's a fairly short walk from here. You can do it a different trail, but that's quite a lot longer, although it does cover lots more waterfalls. Pardon? Yeah. Already see the water. On the interpretation board you can download an audio accompaniment to you, which is Iolo Williams is explaining what's going on. And it's always good to have Iolo Williams with you on a walk. And as we come up, there's a clear and present danger of blackberry picking, which we have to avert. What view?
Where we were the other day, Bannau.
Yeah, that's the wind farm. So this is a recording of Iolo, who basically accompanies you to different checkpoints and talks about the area where that checkpoint is.
Not trying. It's not trying hard enough. Oh. When we got nearly back to the car park, just off to the left is a steepish path which took us down to another little waterfall and an old mine, which we couldn't get into. But the water was a pinky sort of colour. Couldn't work out. Believe it's to do with algae, but still don't know.
highlights.
3 highlights. Ooh. I think that last, we walked down to see the pink water. So it's really exciting, really fun. I think the views were incredible. And getting behind the Sgwrd Eira again.
Yeah.
It was just, yeah, lovely. How about you?
Yeah, I agree. Behind the waterfall, just memories, lots of memories from my early teaching. Geography field trips. The views over to the wind farm, because that's where we were the other day. That's quite nice, like to orientate. Just generally the views were stunning.
Nice chatting with other people.
Yes, met lots of people, been quite busy. And that last little expedition down to the pink waterfall, which we need to Google and find out about. Yeah, it's a good trip to be repeated.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.